इसके आंसर होंगी. So this is a exercise 5.7 and question number 2, give the reason for the following statement. So first one is, पहला आपका यहाँ पे statement है, a square can be thought of a special rectangle. तो आप लिखोगे because opposite sides and all angles are equal. Okay. Second number, a rectangle can be thought of a special parallelogram. तो आप क्या लिखोगे? Since opposite sides are parallel and equal. Since opposite sides are equal and parallel. पैरेलल लिख भी सकते हो. Number C, a square can be thought of a special rhombus. तो आप लिखोगे because all sides are equal in square. Since all sides are equal in both square and rhombus. And D part, square, rectangle, parallelogram are called quadrilateral since all have four sides. Since above all bounded by four line segment. And last one, square is also a parallelogram. Okay, since in square opposite sides are equal and parallel. Since in square opposite sides are equal and parallel. कि स्क्वायर में अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल हैं ही और पैरेलल भी है, और इसी तरह से पैरेललोग्राम में भी अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल और पैरेलल होते हैं. रेक्टेंगल में भी अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल और पैरेलल होते हैं. पैरेललोग्राम में भी अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल और पैरेलल होते हैं. स्क्वायर में सभी साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं, तो रोम्बस में भी सभी साइड्स इक्वल होते हैं. ठीक है. So this is the reason for this question. A closed geometrical shape bounded by more than two line segments is called a polygon. Such as example, first one, triangle having three line segment bounded by three line segment. And number two, square, not a square, here you will write
Quadrilateral.
yes, quadrilateral. So you can write square is correct, but you will write here square. Oh, sorry, quadrilateral. Having 4 line segment. And number 3, pentagon. Having 5 line segment. And number 4.
Hexagon.
Yes, hexagon. Having 6 line segment. And number 5, heptagon. And it has 7 line segment. And number 6, octagon. And this have 8 line segment. A polygon, a geometrical shape bounded by 8 line segment is called pentagon, octagon. Okay, and a geometrical shape bounded by 7 line segments is known as heptagon. And a geometrical shape bounded by 6 line segment is known as hexagon. And in same way, you can proceed next. A geometrical shape bounded by 9 line segment is known as nonagon. And after that, a geometrical shape bounded by 10 line segment is called decagon. ठीक है, एंड सो इसी तरह से फिर जब और आगे के आते हैं तो हम उसे एन-गॉन बोल देते हैं. एन-गॉन, एन कुछ भी नंबर ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो दिस टाइप ऑफ दिस यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज ए क्लोज्ड पॉलीगॉन having 3 line segment, and you can make a quadrilateral such as you can see that this is a quadrilateral any type. And pentagon, just you can see that this type of geometrical shape is known as pentagon. And hexagon, you can see that this is a hexagon having 6 line segment. And in the same way you can proceed for the 7 line segment, 8 line segment. You can make the different geometrical shape bounded by only line segments is called polygon. Clear?